Hello, creatives. Konnichiwa. This is Koko. I got a request how to draw different types of anime eyes. So that sounds like a good challenge. All you need is a paper and a pencil. Are you ready? Let's get to it. So today I'm going to show you four different types of anime eyes, the girl anime eyes. Okay, number one, I will just go just a nice soft curved lines like this, and I'll make it thicker, and I give a little bit of a tail like this. And when there's a tail, you want to make a sharp ending like this, and then you fill this in, so you can see this part is more thicker lines, and then when you go towards the end, the line gets skinnier, and you have a nice, beautiful, how you say, the pointing ending right here. Okay? And then let's just give, this is the bottom part of the eye. And these days, I can see the history, the art style differences in the history of anime. And today's anime, you don't really put a lot of eyelashes. I noticed that you just want to put maybe, I don't know, one or two, just small lines of the eyelashes on the bottom and the top as well. Maybe I'll just give one here. Oh yeah, when you're drawing, it helps to turn the paper around sometimes to give a nice stroke. So I just do this and just one more, and then you turn the paper back like this, and you might want to give a double eyelid, just a slight, light line above this top part with the eye lines. Okay, and then we're drawing the eyeballs like that, and we're going to give a pupil in the middle and the shiny part right here. Okay. And if you want, you can give a little bit more details, like another line here. So this can be, yeah, another shiny part like this. Okay, and this is my how do you say, my special way, but I like to give a little bit of one more light line, like a cross in the eyeball, so it kind of looks nice in a way. But I mean, it's up to you, you don't have to do it, but I like to do it this way. So yeah, so this is anime eye 1. Okay. And anime eye number 2. Okay. And this is going to be more round eyes, I'm going to show you. So again, let's see, I did the practice drawing so I can look and make sure that I'm doing this right for you. So this is more like round, almost like a half of the egg shape, let's say that. This. And again, when you go top, the line gets thicker like this. Okay. And then you give a little space here, and then you kind of continue to the bottom part like this. And then I give one, again, I'm gonna turn the paper so it's easy to draw. Let's see, yeah, just 2 or 3 eyelashes like this. And in the middle, I'll give a eyeball right here, nice oval shape of the eyeball. And then I give pupil and the shiny part. And again, I like to give a little bit of, I don't know, you can see kind of like a shadow line. And then eyelid, like this. And then this line, you can almost connect, but not quite. You might wanna, I like to give a little bit of space. And then 1 or 2 eyelashes down. Okay, like this. Okay, we're going to eye number 3. This time we're going to draw just this almost a straight line, but slightly curved, like this. And then it's almost like a square. It's almost like a square shape. This. And then we're drawing the bottom part of the eye. And of course you want to make thicker on top. So again, the same as number 1. When you go towards this way, the line gets more skinnier. Okay. And then I'm giving eyelashes again. So I'm turning the paper right here. 1, 2, just 1, 2. Come back. And then the double eyelid. Okay. And then 1, 2. Maybe just 3, like that. And we're going to give an eyeball. Like this. And again, some kind of shadow line. Like this. And again, this time we are not going to give a pupil. Basically, we're just giving a little shiny part. And then we're just going to fill this in. Like this. Okay. Yeah, so this is a little bit, how to say, new style that you don't really put the pupil, but basically just a shadow. And I can see that a lot of illustrators or animation, anime, you can see this kind of eyes sometimes. Okay. Okay, and lastly, this is number 4. I am going to start from here and going kind of like a steep line down. Okay. And then we're gonna give a tail like this. And when we're drawing the bottom line, again, I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a space. Not gonna connect all the way. Yeah, so like this. And then again, of course, I'm gonna make the upper line more thicker. So something like this. The more you go this way, the line gets skinnier. And I'm going to fill this in. And again, I might turn the paper just to give an eyelash. Just 1 and 2. Okay, and maybe the bottom. And then when I give the eyeball, I do not touch the bottom. So the eye is kind of in the air, in the middle. So something like this. And I'm gonna give a pupil and the shiny part like this. And then again, this is my style. I like to give a little shadow line like this. And then inside, if you want, you can give more details of the small kind of dot lines around the pupil. It's an effect to give more details on the eyeballs and looks more pretty in a way. And then like this, the double eyelid. Okay, so this was number 4. Okay. So if you look at this, we can compare 1, 2, 3, 4. The number one, the basic shape is kind of like this. And eye number 2 is more, like egg shape, round. And number 3 is more or less square-ish, like this. And last one is sharp eye shape, like this. So when you are drawing your anime eyes, it might be interesting to think about what base shape you want to draw of, and then you can develop from the basic shape. Yeah, so this is it. I hope this video inspired you, and if you have any drawing questions, requests, struggles, let me know. I will try to help you out. So this is it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, また会いましょう. See you again. さよなら. Bye. And oh yeah, today I got a Doraemon marshmallows, so I guess I'll be eating this and drawing with you.